10th year ba or 10th month anniversary? Walang pangalan kung para kanino. Secret. Surprise. It's a surprise. Happy anniversary. Para kanino itong flower? Wow, red na red ang flowers. Para kanino tong flower? Napakagandang flower. Hindi ko maintindihan yung nasa sulat. Kung 10th month ba or 10th year. Ang nakalagay lang ay